everybody, it's Las Vegas Bus Sales. I'm Johnny Ringo, and check out what's behind me there. One of my favorite buses, the Bluebird buses. I like those. This is a 2010 front engine, powered by a 6.7. We've got 40 passengers, 40, riding in the back there. It's clean white. This is make a great crew hauler, or if you're looking to convert a bus, this would be a good candidate also. Let's take a walk around and check it out. Look at the front end here. We're going to see if we can point out any dents or dings, but I'm telling you, let me get out of your way here. Of course, you got those solid steel bumpers, front and rear on these Bluebirds. Straight metal all the way around. Steer tires, plenty of meat on those. Listen to that 6.7 humming along there. There's your fuse panel here. More fuses up there. You got a nice little diagram here to navigate your fuses. If you have any problems, look at your diagram. Got your battery compartment there. Oh, what do we have here? Brand new batteries. A little extra value we add here at Las Vegas Bus Sales. That there's your air conditioner circuit breakers. Condenser fans right here. You got a nice RJC, you got an evaporator in the front and the midship up here. We'll show you that when we get inside. But check out those rear tires. Plenty of meat on those. We can get you a tread depth if you like. You know what? I'm looking at those. Were those siped?
They do look siped. I was just thinking that.
Yeah.
Good job, John.
Thanks, man. That's good. Little fun fact. Let's look at the rear. Did we get some rust on the body?
Literally was like, is that siped?
Look at the back of it. I like these Bluebirds. You ever notice some of these front engines? They do the glass like this on the back. Makes it real nice. Real nice feature. Let's pop that door open. You do have a little ding right there. Little action. Big door. Johnny Ringo could barely open it. You've got some space here in the rear. If you wanted to haul some, had some storage, had some crew hauler, you could put some tools back there. Check that out. Isn't that something there? 40 seats in there. With some extra space in the rear. That's nice. Coming to the other side here of the bus, do have a little action right here on that back quarter panel there. Little trim, that metal, that sheet metal there looks like it took a little hit right there. This bus, by the way, we don't want to pass up the diesel compartment here. This bus holds 60 gallons of diesel. A lot of these All-Americans, they'll hold anywhere from 100 to 60. This one holds 60. By the way, this bus is not CARB compliant, is not DEF capable. Just want to let you know. Rear tires, same story on this side. Give you a little shot of underneath. Steer tires, same story on this side as the other side. You know what? Let's go on in the bus. Check it out. And you'll see what I mean when I say this would make a great crew hauler. If you had a team of workers or something. You know what? Let's show the driver's area though. I want to show that because it's in good condition. We're a little dusty today. It got windy. But 73,000 miles on this. Low miles for one of these commercial buses. You got your push button Allison over there. You got an AM FM stereo with CD. We do have some speakers in here if you need to play some tunes. You got your controllers for the AC right there. You got your front midship evaporators, big old evaporators, keeping everybody cool. But check this out. This is an important note. These are vandal resistant plastic seats, super durable, you know. But check out those seats, super durable.
That's the deal.
We do have heaters in this bus. I believe there's one up there and there's one back here. So if you're operating this in some cold climates, You got some heat circulating through here. Those are single fan heaters. We can get you a BTU if you need that. These are, you know what? Let me see. 50,000 BTU per heater. Listen to that thing humming along. Get my mic over here so you can hear it. Pretty cool Bluebird. That's a 2010 Bluebird All-American FE for the front engine right there, powered by that 6.7 with only 73,000 miles on it. Very durable bus if you're looking to haul a crew. If you'd like more information, come visit LasVegasBusSales.com or call us, Alex or myself, 877-456-9804. It is a beautiful day in Las Vegas. Have a nice day.